Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning in Economics. Today I discuss about what are the key terms of macroeconomics and what are the distinction between macroeconomics and macroeconomics and what are the scope of macroeconomics. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे न्यू मेंबर हैं, आप मेरे वीडियो को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना. Okay guys. What do you mean by the term macroeconomics? Macroeconomics is that the branch of economics which studies the behavior of aggregate units of an economy as a whole. Macro means in simple word big. It related with national income and unemployment and poverty. That's why it's deal with the some big issues and big agents. And microeconomics deals with the price of a commodity or factor of a production, and main theme is individual units. Okay. Macroeconomics main aim is to determine income and employment level of the economy. For example, national income, poverty and unemployment. In simple word, micro means small and in simple word, macro means large. That's why macroeconomics deals with the large level of employment, income, poverty, unemployment, and in simple word, it deals with the national income of the country. And what are the scope of macroeconomics? First one is theory of income and employment. Second one is theory of general price level and theory of economic growth. Economic growth means economically development at the rural area or urban area, and the theory of general price level. And one more important thing is theory of income and employment. The main aim of the macroeconomics is, or the main scope of macroeconomics is theory of income and employment. And most important question is who first used the term macroeconomics? Ragnar Frisch first used the term macroeconomics in which year? 1933. Who firstly or last developed the macroeconomics in an essential way? Keynes. J.M. Keynes is the famous who finally developed a general theory of income and employment or output in the wake of Great Depreciation. Okay, one question is who finally developed the macroeconomics or theory of general theory of income and employment? Answer is J.M. Keynes. What are the importance of macroeconomics? What are the importance or area of macroeconomics? Macroeconomics means it deals with the aggregate level of the economy as a whole. And for example, unemployment, national income, poverty, etc. First one is what are the importance of macroeconomics? To understand the working of the economy, fully understand and utilized of the economic issue or economic related problem, and what are the issues related to the unemployment and what are the major way to relate the depreciation, etc. To understand in the economic policy is like there are the some economic system followed. In India, socialist economy followed, and in USA, capitalist economy followed, and socialist economy China and other country followed. In India, mixed economy followed, both capitalist and socialist sector or capitalist economy. In general, unemployment related in the main importance of macroeconomics. What are the famous book J.M. Keynes relate the macroeconomics? The book is General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money, in which year? 1936. What are the origin and roots of macroeconomics? The Great Depression and the classical economists, and then the Keynes Revolution. There are the some origins of the macroeconomics. First is Great Depression. There are the some depression in USA and totally collapsed in the some capitalist economy or the some economic system fully collapsed to no individual can profit the farm and no only way to losses the country. That's why the Great Depression and arose, and they new moderate the economy system. And second one is classical economist, and then the other is J.M. Keynes. J.M. Keynes, who follows the macroeconomics in her famous books, The General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money, he say and utilize the full employment. Okay guys, what are the major issues and concerns of macroeconomics? Problem of unemployment, problem of inflation, business cycle, like there are the various stage, boom stage, and then any other stage in business cycle, depression, etc. And economic growth means economically development. There are the some economically developing country, developed country, and underdeveloped country. India is a developing country, and developed country like USA, and underdeveloped there are other. Nigeria is a underdeveloped country. Okay, recession and determination of national income, and balance of payment means BOP, in simple word BOP, and exchange rate. ओके गाइस, आपको अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना.